Hey Carson, this thing's giant, isn't it? Just the air filter is huge. It's gonna be old start, cold start. That's a giant turbo. And that's what she said. That's one big fuel filter too. Yeah, it does turn over. Air tanks for air down in there. Yeah. It got parked because the torque converter went out in the transmission there. But that's a Cummins. It's a giant Cummins. So yeah, we're gonna do an old and cold start. Well, the only cold thing about it's the engine, but whatever.
I can almost stand straight up and down.
Yeah. Can't see you through the window. Oh, let's go get it. You gotta see the bucket. Well, I'll tune back in.